So this is our new LinknDriveDash with the new layout format, and I'm going to show you the different features we have on this one, the upgraded one. So before we get started, you want to connect your phone to the unit, hit CarPlay, then on your phone you just go to Bluetooth, find the device, click on it, hit connect, and give it a second, let it register. This will come up, hit use CarPlay. And it'll connect. So then to do the split screen feature, you go to the home, go to setting, system, screen display / full, you'll hit yes, it'll restart the system. And to get to this, so you have like the home, all the different features, and then the camera. So you'll have a split screen. So you'll be able to do a little bit more on this one. So you can have like the GPS split screen with the music, or you can change it to just GPS or music, phone. So it's up to you. So this time you can access a little bit more on the left screen and have the camera on the right screen. You can either have your front camera or the back camera, it's up to you. And to get to the split screen option, you go to home, setting, so hit system again to go back to the non-split screen mode. So it'll take you back to this main one. And to get back there, you just hit setting, system, the screen display full, hit yes, and it'll reboot it again. And it takes you to that split screen option. And then you do the same thing, just connect your phone to CarPlay or Android Auto, and then you can pick how you would like to use the device, either split or full. So it's up to you.